Do you struggle getting in and out of your Toyota RAV4 or want it to look tougher and more premium? Today, I'm breaking down the best running boards for the Toyota RAV4 that actually fit, last, and upgrade your ride. Number 5 on our countdown is the YHTAUTO running boards designed for the 2019 to 2023 Toyota RAV4, and they offer a clean, factory-style upgrade that improves both looks and daily accessibility. Made from high-strength Q235S steel with a dual-layer electrophoretic and powder-coated finish, these running boards deliver strong resistance to rust, wear, and corrosion. The round tube design with CNC-cut 60-degree ends helps mud pass through easily while blending smoothly with the RAV4's body lines for a more aerodynamic look. Wide 3-inch polymer step pads provide secure footing and have been thoroughly tested for strength, durability, and UV resistance, all while maintaining ground clearance. Installation is simple with included brackets and hardware, no drilling required on vehicles with factory mounting points, and smart touches like pre-drilled bolt holders make the process easier. It's a dependable and well-built option to start our list, but the next pick steps things up even more as we continue the countdown. Moving up to number 4 on our countdown, we have the SAREMAS running boards, and this is where things start to step up compared to our previous pick, especially in terms of material and everyday practicality. These running boards are made from aircraft-grade extruded aluminum, which makes them lighter than steel while offering excellent strength and strong resistance to rust, making them a smart long-term choice for all weather conditions. Installation is quick and hassle-free since they line up perfectly with the Toyota RAV4's factory mounting points from 2019 to 2025, requiring no drilling and coming with all the hardware and clear instructions you need. Safety is also a big upgrade here, thanks to the slip-proof surface that provides confident footing in rain or snow, which is especially helpful for kids and family members getting in and out of the vehicle. With their precise fit, balanced design, and clean look on both sides of the RAV4, these running boards deliver great value for the price, and as we continue the countdown, the next option brings even more in terms of design refinement and overall performance. At number 3 on our countdown are the Dynasty running boards, and while they share a similar fit range with the previous option for Toyota RAV4 models from 2006 to 2012, they bring a more refined and dependable feel that pushes them higher on the list. These running boards feature a durable black powder-coated finish with wide slip-resistant step pads, supporting up to 500 pounds while offering confident footing for daily use. Built from rust-resistant stainless steel, they are designed to handle tough outdoor conditions and deliver long-lasting performance with less wear over time. Installation remains quick and user-friendly with a no-drill design that bolts directly to factory mounting points using vehicle-specific brackets, allowing most installs to be completed in under an hour. With their solid weight, improved stability, and noticeable boost in ease of entry and exit, these running boards provide a stronger overall experience than the previous pick. And as we move closer to the top, the next option takes things even further in terms of design, durability, and overall value. Sliding into number 2 on our countdown are the etesan running boards, and this is a clear step up from the previous option with a more modern design and lighter yet solid construction. Designed specifically for Toyota RAV4 models from 2019 to 2022, these running boards combine practicality with a sleek, updated look that instantly improves both accessibility and appearance. They feature a non-slip polyethylene stepping surface that delivers reliable traction for safe entry and exit, while the extruded aluminum construction keeps them lightweight without sacrificing strength or stability. Installation is quick and stress-free with a no-drill setup that uses factory mounting points and includes all necessary hardware, making them an easy upgrade for most owners. With their precise fit, sturdy feel, and impressive balance between durability and weight, these running boards outperform the previous pick in design and overall refinement. And coming up next is our number 1 choice, which offers the best combination of quality, style, and performance on this list. And finally, at number 1 on our countdown, we have the TAC Running Boards, our top pick for Toyota RAV4 models from 2019 to 2025. And these are in the top spot by delivering the best overall balance of strength, fit, and value compared to everything else on this list. Built from durable alloy steel with a heavy textured black finish, these 3-inch side steps feel exceptionally solid underfoot while adding a bold, finished look that makes the RAV4 look complete. The fitment is spot on, with mounting holes lining up perfectly, making installation straightforward and hassle-free, and once installed, the bars sit at a comfortable height that makes getting in and out noticeably easier for drivers and passengers alike. They offer a sturdy, confidence-inspiring step that easily supports adult weight without flex, all while maintaining a clean, proportional size that looks great on the vehicle. With their strong build quality, excellent real-world usability, and outstanding value for the money, the TAC running boards clearly outperform the previous options, making them the best choice and the clear winner in our countdown.